Why people hate Lean Six Sigma. Look, the first videos that I ever put up for continuous improvement, I had people saying, Six Sigma is terrible, I hate Six Sigma. They didn't say anything about my videos. They just talked about how much they hated Six Sigma. I'm Amanda Zimmerman. I'm a continuous improvement mentor, and I help people all over the world make their processes better. And over again, I meet people that dislike Six Sigma. When I introduce myself at a mixer or a networking event that's not continuous improvement focused, if I introduce myself as a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt, I usually get two reactions. One, the person nods and smiles, which means they have no idea what that means. The other reaction I get is something like that, where the person's uncomfortable and they catch themselves and then they smile again like they didn't just give me that face. But a lot of people have had negative experiences with continuous improvement. None of us like to have somebody else come in and clean our space. If you think of your bedroom and somebody else came in and rearranged everything and went through your closet and reorganized everything, most people are not going to like that. A lot of continuous improvement professionals operate this way, and it's something for us to kind of check ourselves and make sure that we're not operating this way. That quite often is at the root of this issue. The other thing that people encounter in continuous improvement that lead them to have that discomfort, that maybe disgust around Six Sigma, is that we can use it in a way that's very cumbersome. We can use it to constrain ourselves. We can make it very complex and complicated. Consultants get paid by how many billable hours that they have. So making it complicated can actually benefit some people. It's also a way for people to feel like their ego is boosted because they know so much. So quite often people have had experiences like that with continuous improvement professionals. Another negative experience that some people have is having continuous improvement used to lay people off or to let people go or to restructure their organization, that somehow changing the process had a negative impact on that person. And that's why as continuous improvement professionals, it's really up to us to make sure that we're using Lean Six Sigma for good as much as possible, that we're empowering, supporting, and respecting our employees, that we're using Lean Six Sigma to level load our organization, not to downsize or reduce staff. Right? We want to make sure that we're using that staff most effectively and reallocating them to where they need to be if changes need to be made. We also want to make sure that we are making it as simple as possible, as easy as possible for people to improve. And those are some of the reasons why people end up hating Lean or Six Sigma. If you have a reason that you found frustration with it, let me know in the comments. I'm keen to understand different people's experiences and seeing where we can all improve together.